Okay, so we're going to cook an egg using a piece of paper. Now for this project, you're going to fold the paper into the shape of the strainer. This paper will be used as the medium for where the egg will be cooked. Now after folding the paper, add some oil all across the paper. After adding some oil across the paper, you can now proceed to put the cracked egg inside of it and place the paper above a low setted heat or fire. Now, across this video, there are tips and things that you must not do to prevent any kind of disaster during cooking. As you can see, the sides of the piece of paper began to burn. So the note for this project is to not place the paper too near the fire. Another thing is to not put too much oil, as if the oil comes in contact with fire, this could cause the entire paper to be on fire, and further burn the paper and lose the medium for cooking.